Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix instant options not showing on Instagram on iPhone. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, just follow the methods discussed in this video. So the very first method is to check the server status of Instagram. So you have to go to the search option or go to Google, and after that here you have to search for Instagram down detector, and here you will find if there is any downtime. Just go below and here you will find if there is any downtime going on. If yes, you have to wait for some unless the problem is resolved, and after that check if the instant option is showing or not on Instagram. If not, next method is to clear cache of Instagram. So for that you have to go to settings, and after that click on general, after that click on iPhone storage, after that click on Instagram, click on offload app, and then click on offload. So this will clear the cache of Instagram app. After that go back and launch the app and check if instant option is showing or not. If not, next is to check for Instagram update. So if there is any update available for the Instagram app, you should check and update it. For that, go to the app store. In the search option, search for Instagram, and here you will find if there is any update available for the app. If yes, update your Instagram app to the latest version, and after that launch it and check whether instant option is showing or not. Next is to check for iOS update. So for that you have to go to settings. After that go to general, click on software update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your iPhone. If yes, update your iOS version to the latest one, and after that go back, launch the app and check if instant option is showing or not. Next is to toggle on and off to hide instance. So for that you have to launch Instagram. After that click on your profile icon, click on three line. After that you have to go below, and here you have to click on content preference, and here you can see hide instance in inbox. You have to first enable it and later on again disable it. After doing this, go back, launch the Instagram app, and then check whether instant option is showing or not. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the Instagram app once. So for that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on remove app and then click on delete app. So this will delete the Instagram app from your iPhone. After that, again go to the app store and install Instagram once again, and then check if the problem you're facing is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.